In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make over $50,000 a month with this Instagram ad strategy that doesn't require you to waste thousands of dollars, burn months of time, or destroy your reputation with stupid offers or guarantees. And I'm so confident in this because it's exactly how my client John Mark Stevenson went from $17K a month to $100,000 a month in 47 days, coaching fitness trainers on scaling their business. And we also recently helped him hit a record week of $50,000, multiple, actually you can see right here, $100,000 a month in January, 87 in December, $50,000 weeks in January, and also $50,000 weeks in December. Maxi and us, he went to $52,000 a month and booked over 60 plus sales calls every single month with our Instagram ecosystem. He sells a B2B coaching offer. You can see his calendar right here. He even gave us a shout out. And Julian Walls, who scaled his coaching business past $50,000 a month and made $300,000 in the first year working with us coaching videographers, okay? Now, what is a dry ad? A dry ad is an ad that doesn't look like an ad where you're not even doing the talking, someone else is, and there isn't even a direct call to action. I know it sounds bizarre, but trust me on this, it works extremely effectively if you know how to make one, which is exactly what I'm gonna be showing you in this video, okay? So why does this work? Because people lack trust in this day and age. They can instantly sense an ad, and therefore we need to ensure that it doesn't look like an ad and you're not doing the talking, because anything you say is garbage and anything someone else says about you is gospel. And I'm sure you can see where I'm going with this, so let's take a look at the ad. So I'm gonna be showing you our exact ad script, and I'm going to show you the exact creative. So let's give this ad a watch right now.
You guys work with some very high level entrepreneurs who I knew that if they can trust you, I can probably trust you as well. I think the biggest thing is it felt like you guys gave it. Even after I already paid the entire amount, I still didn't feel like you guys were putting me on a back burner. It's always been super quick to get back. You guys kind of immediately got what I was going for. You definitely book a call. You don't have anything to lose. Talk with them, see if you guys feel like it's a good fit, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, so now that you've watched the ad, let's break down the script and why it works. So this ad actually was an ad. It was just taken from a client interview with Vince, and then I just turned it into an ad. So the hook is you guys work with some very high level entrepreneurs. So that's a symbol of authority, right? You guys are working with high level entrepreneurs who I knew that if they can trust you, I can probably trust you as well. Now, if you look what we did with the editing, which I'll get into soon, we had a photo of Vitz and his massive following on YouTube, 300,000 people, and a photo of him and Andrew Tate to show oh, maybe they work with Andrew Tate, which we don't yet. Anyway, then we came to this part where it's I think the biggest thing is it felt like you guys gave a shit. Even after I paid the entire amount, it didn't feel like you guys were putting me on a back burner. He's always been super quick to get out, and you guys kind of immediately got what I was going for. So definitely book a call. You don't have anything to lose, talk with them, yeah, and if you feel like it's a good fit, that's pretty much it. So it's not even a specific ad format or script. It's simply an ad where he is talking very well about us. He's kind of making relevant comments about who we work with, that they're coaches, and then he kind of has a mini call to action here where if you notice at the editing, we put a clip of them just clicking follow because that's the call to action, okay? So if you want to make your own ad, here's how to do it without making it weird. When a client posts a win, ask them for an interview and tell them that the exposure will benefit them, get them more clients, whatever. And now pull up to the call with a specific set of questions to get the client, to get them saying what we want them to say. The questions are, what was the biggest thing you were struggling with before working with me? Or what were the biggest things if there were multiple? How was that making you feel? And what were the consequences of that? What was it about our work that fixed said problem? What were the specific outcomes you got from our work? And what would you say to anyone else watching this and on the fence? Okay, so now you have good content to use in your dry ad. So how do we actually produce it? Well, you simply want to follow this format. PASO, okay? Problem, agitation, solution, outcome. And then you can include anything else in it if you need. So all you need to think about is, does the hook include the problem? Does the next sentence after the hook agitate the problem by stating how they're feeling and the consequences of it? Then do they say that the solution is you guys, your work, whatever the specific mechanism is? And then do they say the actual outcomes of your work? How much money they made, what lifestyle they were able to unlock, and anything of that nature. If you have those things, then it's a good ad and it's going to perform as long as they're relevant to anyone else watching the ad, quite frankly. Now, how do we edit the ad? Because if we can't edit the ad, then we can't correctly convey this information to the viewer. So let me quickly show you what our ad looked like before, just so you can get an idea of how boring this was. Okay, so I probably lost a ton of viewers by now because that was so boring. But what we can learn from that is that we can specifically take the content and craft it and cut it up with the editing to match and suit our messaging. If you notice, he said that he only communicated with me, but we cut that out in the ad on my business partner's profile and made it look like he was talking about only my business partner. And I'm not even in the picture. I'm just the person behind the scenes orchestrating all of this. Okay, so now let me get into the secret to making ads that are boring, super engaging, so you can actually have the people you want watching the ad for a period of time where they will actually convert from the ad, okay? So this here is the ad storyboard. Yes, I literally told my editor exactly what to put on screen where. So let me break this down for you. First things first, I told him the structure. So the structure should be dynamic subtitles here, my business partner on top, and Vince here. I'm not even in the picture for this ad. And then I want to have in the hook his profile while highlighting the number of subscribers, and then lifestyle photos of him with Tate, with Porsche, with a nice house to kind of show that status and that authority. I gave him the example of my boy Tamir's ad. Then we have the second animation, high level entrepreneurs, so I knew that if they can trust you, like, so then I wanted a rapid fast montage of all our different clients we've helped. Then from here, I can probably trust you as well. Have an animation scrolling through our client results to show all the people we've helped, to show why he can probably trust us. And then even after I paid the entire amount, have an animation showing how much he paid to build that authority that maybe he paid like a lot of money. For this part, we ended up cutting this. I mainly communicated with Liam and just had, he's always been super quick to get back. So as you can see here, I literally said, I need you to remove. I mainly communicated with Liam, and we should just have a shot of Siggy on screen here when he says he, so that the viewer can understand who he actually is. And then for definitely book a call, we simply have a video of them going onto his profile and clicking follow to show the next step. Now this is the follow ad strategy. If you want to learn more about that, check out the other videos on my channel. But if you don't do this one thing long term, then you will fail. I'm serious, your ad costs will skyrocket, lead quality will tank, and before you know it, you'll be burning thousands of dollars. You need to know exactly what's happening at all times and have historic knowledge to compare it to. And this is called tracking. So if you want my sheet for free, here it is. I'm just going to quickly show you how to use it. So you simply go to the day. Today's date is the 21st of April, and I'm going to enter in how many followers I got. Let's say I got 11, okay? Now I have 11 followers, and let's say today I spent, $22 or $23. Okay, cool. $2 per lead. That's what our average client pays after their first ad campaign. And let's say today that I booked 3 sales calls and I closed one for $10,000. And so my cash collected on that, let's just say it was only $5,000, but it was a $10,000 deal all up. And then the call name was just like John, and he will pay 5K times 2. Okay, cool. So now it's gonna break down these metrics for us. So we can see that we're paying $2 per lead, and we're only paying $7.50 per call. And after a period of time, when we have this data logged, all of a sudden we can look at our numbers down here, and we can have a specific idea after a month's time of what our ROI is cash, and then also what it is revenue. And so we can have this historic data to compare to. Let's say that in a month's time we're spending $30 a day or $23 a day, but now we're only getting 5 followers. We can see that our ad costs have hiked up, so it might be time to start thinking about some new creatives. And the best part, and my favorite part about this, is having the ad snapshot, where it will tell you how many new followers you have, how much ad spend you've spent, the cost per follower, the calls booked, the cost per call, the cash collected, the ROAS in cash, and the ROI revenue. And so you have this dashboard giving you specific data on the ad's performance. So if you want this whole template, then just go to my Instagram @videos_with_Liam and just message me the word sheet. I'll send it to you, but you have to be following me, otherwise I'm not going to send it to you. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and have a great day.